Morning everybody, welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. This happens to be one of our 427 Windsor Cobra engines. This is going into a kit car. This one starts out with a dark block, got a whole forged rotating assembly with H-beam rods, forged pistons. We use Cleveite bearings in all our engines. Put a nice hydraulic roller cam in this thing by grind and press. Pair of AFR heads. We change all the springs. We opt to throw all the 3/8 studs away and put 7/16. We make sure this valve train is bulletproof. Mainly push rod stainless steel rockers. This one has a nice concept one pulley kit on here. Got a belt tensioner. You got air conditioning, power steering, and alternator. Got a nice black distributor cap. EFI system is a Stilt by Holly, all dialed in by Maddie. Just got done breaking in. It makes 605 foot-pounds of torque and 600 horsepower. 615, boy I'm stumbling, sorry. 615 horsepower. But again, it's another example of a custom-built engine. Order it the way you want it, and that's the way you're going to get it. It will drop right in the car with no hassle. You order something else, that's a whole different ball game. When you order or buy something off the shelf, you get it home, wrong pan, wrong water pump's on the wrong side, all kinds of different things can happen. But again, we build them just for you, the way you want them, and that's the way you're going to receive them. 100% tested, no water leaks, no oil leaks, and running phenomenal. Hey, enjoy the video. Thank you.
About 615 horsepower.
Yeah, very cool. Very nice.